some of our sisters have got some questions. The first question is, the Quran tells us not to befriend, not to make friends with the Kaafirs, not to befriend them. Now, how true is that? Are we not allowed to befriend them? Or is it just that we don't trust them, but we can befriend them, we can talk with them like acquaintances? So what is the truth about this?
Thank you.
Sister has asked the question, that does the Quran say that we should not befriend non-Muslims? Can we be acquaintance? What the Quran says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3, verse number 28, is that don't take for protectors unbelievers in preference to believer. Where it comes for taking as protectors, then the Quran says that if you have a choice between a believer and unbeliever, take believers, that's it. As far as keeping friendship, acquaintances, there's no problem. You can mix with the non-Muslims, but I always have a question that when we have non-Muslim friends, see it a point that when there is friendship between two human beings, either you're influencing him or her, or she or he is influencing you. You can't say nothing is happening. So if you have non-Muslim friends, see to it that you're influencing her or him, the way I spoke today. Don't insult them, but talk to them about commonalities and get them closer to the truth of Almighty God. But if you keep friendship and they are influencing you more, then you may deviate away from the truth. So when you have non-Muslim friends, very well, you can mix with them, speak with them, but see it a point that you should do dawah with them. Speak the message of truth so that they come to the right path. If you don't, then you may deviate from the right path. So keep friendship, keep acquaintances, but important is that you do dawah with them. Hope that answers the question, sister.
Thank you.